Welcome everybody. So in this video we'll be making a C program to find the square root and cube root in the sim program. This will be a menu driven program. I have already written the hash include and int main. So let's get started with the actual coding of the program. So let's start by initializing the variables. Int we're gonna give the int class to response, comma square root, comma cube root. We want the answer to come in the integer form and not as floats. Then we are gonna give float to the number which the user will add, that will be num1 comma num2. Then we are gonna give it square equals 0.5 comma cube equals 0.33 comma cube root comma square root. So I have initialized all the variables. The actual explanation why all these variables are initialized, you will get it in the next steps. So let's get started by print f the actual menu. So this is a program to find the square and cube roots. New line, first square root, new line, second cube root. Then we are going to ask the user what is the user's choice. What is your choice? Question mark 1/2. Then the user will enter his choice. The value of the user's response will be saved in the variable response. So scanf %d comma ampersand response. So now we're going to initiate an if statement, like if the response is 1 then square root, if the response is 2 then cube root. If response equal 1, let's get this in parenthesis, and then we shall write the other body, like what the code in the square root portion would be. So print f, which number do you want to find the square root of? The value will be saved in the variable num1, %f comma num ampersand num1. Then we shall save the value of the square root in sq underscore root equals power. So the power num1 will be raised to the power of 0.5, that will be the square root. That's why I had mentioned square is equals to 0.5. Now we will round off the answer to the nearest digit, that will come in the answer. Square root equals round sq underscore root. Now we're gonna print the answer. Print f, the square root is, it will be %d comma square root. Now we shall write the if statement of the cube root. If response equal to, the response will be equal to 2, then we want the cube root body to come. Print f, which number do you want to find cube root of? Which number do you find the cube root of? Then the value will be stored in the variable num2 comma ampersand num2. Next, the same we will use cube root equals power num2 comma cube. Then cube root is equals to round off qcb underscore root. Then we will print f the cube root is %d comma cube root. So the program is complete. Let's get the return value also. Return 0. So now we shall check if any semicolon has been left out. No, I don't think so. Let's check if the variables are right, and then we shall run the program and see if the program is actually working, and if not, we shall diagnose the program and let it work. I think all is okay. So now let's run the program. Yes, so what is your choice? So first let us try the square root 1. Then I want to find the square root of 64, which is 8. It should come as 8. Let's see. Yes, the square root is 8. So now let's check if the cube root is coming right, and then we shall end the video. I hope this is informative. Like, so 264, that is the cube of 4, and it is coming right. So thank you. I hope this video is informative. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share this video. Thank you.